Greetings! In today's video, I want to take a quick look into one of the latest Papergang boxes I received. This one was like the bigger boxes I received before and features a forest print in purple and pink. On the back, our little extra is a sustainable living chart. I love to know as little as possible about the boxes, so it's always a surprise and a fun discovery to open them. In the paper sleeve, we find our cardboard box of supplies, as usual. The lid of the box has the quick rundown of how Papergang works. The bottom of the box has the items, wrapped in tissue paper. I grabbed the leaflet first and check it out to see what this month's box is all about. It doesn't feature a guest artist this time. The box is made by the Deer and Papergang staff. It seems to be about nature and conservation. The first item I reach for is wrapped in more tissue paper. I unwrap it to find a pair of scissors, made of brass. They cut quite well. The next item is a small print featuring a conscious shopping list. It's a list of actions that one can take rather than buying a brand new thing and throwing an old one away. I'll personally keep this one on the fridge, so it's always in our mind. Then I grab a small notepad. It's fairly simple, but I like it. It seems like notepads are always practical and handy to have around. Under the notepad, there is a larger lined notebook. The last two items feature the same print as the box and the leaflet, the pink and purple forest artwork. The last two items in the box are Reso Craft prints in neon pink and blue. One featuring botanical art and the other featuring animal art. They are both size A4. And that's it for the box. Overall, I like this box, but I find it a bit strange. I am not sure how the scissors fit in the theme. Also, to have this nature or conservation theme but have items like the notepad, where the sheets will end up in the bin, is just a bit puzzling to me. Everything in here is pink, purple and blue, so that could be a bummer if a recipient wasn't fond of those colors, but still love the design of the items. Everything Papergang is well made, so these would make for great gifts as a last resort. It's an odd box, perhaps not the most compelling one, but everything is top quality and I'm okay with it. If you decide you want to try out this subscription box, I'll put my referral link in the description below. Also, you can check my other videos about this box if you want to get a better idea of the kind of content that can be in the box. I know that the box I opened up before this one, I was really happy with the content. What do you think of the items in this box? Let me know in the comments below. Take care, bye bye.